In this video we will talk about how to maintain a healthy aging body. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The body goes through many changes starting at adolescence. As a person ages, the brain, eyes, ears, mouth, smell, heart, liver, lungs, kidneys, bladder, colon, metabolism, and so on starts to change. The body functions start declining, which affects reproductive organs, blood, cells, tissues and so on. To slow aging, one must exercise, eat right and continue visiting their doctors. Doctors are essential, since these caring souls take time to monitor your bodily functions. Doctors will consider environment, overall health, hereditary factors and more to maintain your health. Who studies aging? Geriatrics are the men and women in the branches of medicine that study seniors or aging. The experts often focus on aging or the aged, since the majority of disease all start in later years. In view of the fact, geriatrics study the syndromes and disease simply because one disease that affects the young will affect the elders in a different light. For instance, if a younger person has a thyroidal problem, it may cause them to feel cranky, gain weight and so on. However, if an older person has a thyroidal problem, they may sink in and reduce themselves into depression. Compare the diseases. If an older person has a thyroidal condition, they may feel depressed, confused, withdrawn, fatigue, confused, and will lose memory. If common doctors noted these changes, they may deduce dementia or Alzheimer's disease, since the symptoms are in like. Therefore, someone has to focus their attention on aging only to understand the changes that older persons go through. Older people are subjects to Alzheimer's disease, which is a progressive brain dysfunction. The disease causes massive memory loss, which the person will shrink back to infancy in time and finally die. Older people are subject to aortic aneurysm, which is a disease of the aorta where the walls start dilating, rupturing the main functions and gradually causes death. Older people are subjects to atrophic arthritis, which is in harmony with vaginitis. This condition causes the urethra, as well as the vagina, to shrink. As the organs thin the tissues, various symptoms emerge, including burning sensations. The person may feel pain during sexual intercourse. With the burning sensations during urine release, a typical doctor could confuse this disorder as some sort of infection, or sexual transmitted disease. Of course, the average doctors receive valuable information from the study groups of senior citizens. For this reason, the doctors stand alert to challenge aging symptoms, rather than confusing the symptoms with other disease. Elderly people are subject to bedsores. Due to prolonged force, this condition causes the skin to break down. In addition, elderly people are subject to cataracts, which the lens are clouded, causing impairment of vision. Diseases such as benign prostate hyperplasia often develops in the older generation of men. This condition causes the prostate glands to expend larger than normal. Urine is blocked when this condition emerges. Understanding what you are potentially facing as an elder person or youthful person can help you get ahead of the aging game. While we have no control over aging, we do have the ability to slow aging. To slow aging, you will need to learn preventive tactics and so on. Ask your doctor to provide you pamphlets that help you understand common aging disease. Elderly people face ongoing declinations of the body changes and can lead to chronic lymphocytic leukemia. This disease progresses in a later stage and grows. The condition can grow into malignant leukemia, which is cancerous. Finally, elderly people are potential victims to diabetes type 2, glaucoma, hypothyroidism, arthritis, Parkinson's disease and so on. Don't be the next victim. Take action today. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.